What's up, y'all? It's your girl QueensteezTV, and I am back with another video. So as promised, I said that I was going to announce the winner of my Juvias Place giveaway in my next Makeup Monday video. So I made a post letting y'all know that the video wasn't going to drop on Monday because I was stuck at work. It's a snowstorm. Well, it was a snowstorm. Where I am, and I was stuck at work. You know what I'm saying? Duty calls. But I'm here today. So I ended up announcing a winner over on Instagram on Monday. And congratulations to our winner, Sodium Phosphate. She was the winner of the 2 palettes. But stay tuned, everybody calm down. I will be having another giveaway, and it will be sooner than you think. Now let's get into this. Now, clap for our winner. Okay, now this look today. So I've been listening to y'all that's been saying do a simple makeup look. So today I have the Violets palette by Juvias Place, and I did a nice, simple, soft look for Valentine's Day. So this is going to be one of 4 looks coming from out of this collection with Juvias Place. It was 4 different palettes. So this is our first one, kicking it off. So I hope y'all like the look and stay tuned for the rest of the video. Yo, if y'all catch the tea in this video, write it down below. But just alright, y'all, what's up? We here to get into it. Y'all already know how I start off all the videos. Hydrate your lips. I got some Carmex. We spraying our Mario Badooskoos on, whatever it's called. Y'all, here go my $1 eyebrow pencil from the hair store. Yes, y'all wanted something affordable, so boom. Here we go, our $1 eyebrow pencil. And I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I use this more often than I use the pomade. I just prefer to use a eyebrow pencil on my eyebrows. So as you can see, I like to start by lining the bottom of my brows. And I haven't waxed my brows in a very long time because my eyebrows used to be thick. But, from years and years of waxing, they're pretty thin right now. So when I go, I have to do my eyebrows. So as you can see, I start on the bottom and then I go to the top. But then I start on the tail end. And I just fill it in from there and make sure you do light strokes. I still haven't got the little faded look because usually I just leave the front of my brows alone. But I'm trying to get this little faded look, that the girls be doing. So I'm still trying to learn how to do that. Usually I just let it do what it do. So the same thing you do from one side, you go and do on the other side. If your eyebrows don't match, then try to get them matching as close as possible. But if not, that's what concealer is for, okay? So as you can see, I always have trouble on this side. So, that side take a little bit longer. And I just got a little frustrated. So I just started coloring them in, as you can see. So, yeah, just, fill your brows in. These brows are really thick and dark, as you can see. I don't usually go this thick or this dark. You can see me looking like okay. Alright, Miss Girl, what you doing? Yeah, these are very dark. So as you see, I'm going with my little spoolie and I'm just trying to get it together because I definitely did these brows too dark. So I'm trying to brush some of that mess out. So y'all, this might be because I'm using my little dollar pencil. So don't talk about my little dollar pencil. So I'm taking my concealer. You already know it's a 12 from Juvias Place. Y'all, even though they sell this in Sephora and stuff, I would still look at this as like a low costing foundation. Like, you're really not spending that much money for it. Like, and especially in comparison to a concealer or foundation from somewhere like NARS, which my NARS Foundation is what? I think it's $58. Child, please, I be buying these little, I think these Juvias Place foundations is like what? Between $8 and $10. So you really can't beat that. And they full coverage, so yeah. We gonna roll with the $8 to $10 foundation. So y'all can get that from Ulta. You can get it online straight from Juvia. You know, whatever you wanna do. So as y'all can see, I'm cleaning up my brows. I'm starting from the bottom. And then I go to the top and just make sure you get that line straight. I'm just bringing the concealer all the way down over my eyelid so I can make it a blank canvas. Remember, we doing a simple look today, so I'm not going with the P. Louise with all of that stuff. So hopefully y'all can follow along. And if I'm going too fast, then y'all know. Let me know in the comments. Y'all know I talk back. Talk to me, girls, and I talk back. So I'm just checking the brows out and putting a little bit in the middle of my forehead so it's no harsh lines from where I stopped with the concealer. After that, I'm just taking a fluffy brush and just rubbing that concealer out so that it can just make me have an even skin tone. Make sure you get that middle part and just patting it in over my eyes. Yes. So I messed up my brow a little bit, so I'm going to put the tail back on. Because when I did the concealer, as y'all see, girl, I fixed them eyebrows. So I had to check it back out, y'all. I just, and even looking back at it, one of the eyebrows is bigger than the other one. But whatever, they sisters, not twins, per. So I got my Violets palette from Juvias Place, and as you can see, it's 3 matte colors and then 3 shimmer colors in it. So I'm just taking the darkest purple, and the smaller palettes don't have names to them. The bigger palettes do have names, so I'm just taking the darkest purple in this palette and I'm patting it in on my outer corner. And then I'm just going to bring it into my crease. And as you can see, I didn't prime my eyes. So this is a simple look for people if you don't have that much makeup or you just got a little something. I'm showing you that you can still work it out. It don't matter how much makeup you got. It's how you throw that brush in a circle. And as long as you can throw that brush in a circle, you can make it do what it did. Per. So looking on camera, this doesn't look purple. It looks like a little, like, I don't know, it's giving ash gray. But it's actually like it is more of like a pewter, like a dark pewter, purpley color. So I'm just doing the same thing on the other eye, taking it on my outer corner and bringing it in to my crease. And one thing that I do like about Juvia's Place, they spread really nicely. So I'm just making sure that that is all in my crease, and I'm trying to clean it up a little bit. So keeping it simple, I'm going in with the light purple shimmer color. And as you can see, when I did the crease, I kind of left most of my eyelid blank. So I'm just taking the lighter purple shimmer color and putting it right on top of the darker purple to kind of give us like a smoked out look without really like having to go in to smoke it out. Because one thing about a smoky eye, it can go, I mean, you could be doing smoky eye 1 minute and the next minute is giving raccoon, and we're not trying to give raccoon. So I'm going really carefully and making sure that I put it right over top of the dark purple. Okay. Come on, Miss Girl. Blend it out. Blend it out. Check it out. Fix it. Yes, look how I'm throwing that brush in a circle. Ew. So now I'm just trying to see which shimmer color am I going to put on. Which one do y'all like? the lighter one. It's giving that. So I'm just taking the lightest shimmer purple color there, and look how beautiful that is. And I'm just spreading that over my eye. So y'all can't even see. I'm talking about damn, and y'all couldn't even see it. So one thing that I did find with the shimmer colors in this palette is I tried to pat them in how I would with a regular matte color, and it wasn't really going on that well. But when I just spread it across, I mean, look how pigmented it is. So that's my recommendation when working with these shimmer colors in the Juvias Place palette. Just put your brush in and then just wipe it across your eye. See? When I was patting it, you ain't see nothing. When I swiped it, boom, there she is. So I'm just making sure that I have that on. And as you can see, I didn't have to do a cut crease. That's just really how pigmented the colors are. That I just, boom, just put it on. Y'all, this is where I should have stopped at. I shouldn't have put the medium purple shimmer color, because I tried to put that on the outer corners, but then, I mean, the look still came out nice, but, I mean, I could have left this part out. So, y'all, if y'all doing this look for Valentine's Day, what I'm doing right now, leave that part out. Okay? So, I'm going to go back in with the darkest purple and put that back in my crease to try to define that a little bit more from where I put the shimmer color. You know, makeup is just trial and error. Because I see people saying, I don't know how to do makeup. Girl, it's trial and error. I mean, some days you want to look good. Some days you want to look like a clown. Purr. So, y'all know I can't do my eyelashes on camera. I mean, it's a struggle for me. So, I'm taking my Benefit primer. You can use whatever kind of primer that you have. NYX has a good primer that's kind of affordable. You can get that from your local hair store, or I don't think Sephora don't sell NYX. You can get it from Ulta. Ulta is for the affordable girls, high end and low end. Okay, so we love Ulta. Sephora is bougie. We like Sephora too, but we don't got time for that today. So after I prime my face, y'all, that's my Juvias Place foundation. I busted open the actual bottle that it came in, so I put it in this little jar that I got from Amazon, because I was not throwing my foundation away. So I'm just taking it in with a flat brush and just putting it all over my face so I can get some good coverage. So I do find that using a flat brush and spreading your makeup out helps. It helps me to use a little bit less makeup than I would if I was putting it directly on my brush, like on my fluffy or kabuki brush, because usually I would just pour it on there and dab it in. So after I do this and I get most of the makeup on for my coverage, I just take a flat kabuki brush and just spread it out. And y'all know, go in circles. And I mean, look, already the look is done pretty much. I just look ready to go. So as you see, I'm still rubbing it in. Girl, come on, keep rubbing that in like that. So I'm just taking some Sacha Buttercup powder, y'all. They sell this at Rite Aid, Ulta, anywhere, Amazon. You can get you some Sacha Buttercup powder. I'm not contouring. I'm not doing a whole lot. So we just literally putting a little bit under our eyes just to brighten it a little bit. So you just go ahead and take your beauty blender and just push your Sacha Buttercup powder in really well. So make sure you do that on both sides. And this is still, you know, just want to brighten your under eye without you having to do too much. Put a little bit on your forehead, basically everywhere that you would highlight. Y'all know I'm always getting this stuff everywhere. And always got the nerve to have on black. That's what it be for me. So just take a brush and dust it right off. So as you can see, I'm not letting any of this bake on. We're not doing no baking. Just put it. We just want to brighten our eyes a little bit and dust it right off. Put it on. By the time you get finished putting it all over your face, take it right off. Okay, and that's just to set our under eyes a little bit. We're going to take our blush, and this is Bella. This is from Juvias Place as well. I think I got these blushes for like $5. So as you can see, I put on way too much blush. So I'm trying to buff it out. But here's the thing with blush. I usually put on too much blush because I always put a powder over top of my liquid makeup. So it toned the blush down anyway, the blush and the highlighter. So I always overdo the blush and the highlighter and then tone it back down with the powder that I put on top. So I'm taking just one of the highlighter colors and highlighting my underbrow because it's giving that. And then y'all know I'm just going over the whole thing and just highlighting my cheekbones. Yes, and as I said, overdo it. Please overdo it. And get that chin and a little bit on your top lip. And y'all can see my cheeks are glowing. So that's my MAC powder that I put on top of my makeup. And yeah, just brush that in all over. And you gonna be good with that. Y'all know my Morphe setting spray. And spray this all over your face. Yes, let that air out. Fan it a little bit. And we're going to take my favorite lipstick of all time, y'all. Y'all see I only got a little bit left. And that's Blankety by MAC. And just put that on your lips. And I'm just going to put a gloss over top of it because we doing simple. It's giving simple, and that's just, you know, what we doing. So after I put it on, I was like, I think that it needed a little bit of a liner on there. So I took my brown liner and I put a little bit on my lips. And as you can see, it really didn't do much because I had already had the lipstick on. So it was just overpowering it. And y'all, I need to put my wig piece on. Y'all, I got makeup all over my shirt, as I always do. And this is our finished look, y'all. I had to go put my wig piece on, okay? Y'all let me know if y'all like this look. This is going to be the first of 4 Valentine's Day looks that I have coming for you guys. Again, I use the Violets palette by Juvias Place to get this look, and I made sure that this time I looked out for the words who said that I be doing too much, and they asked me to do a simple look, and I didn't do all the concealing and all that stuff. So you can get this stuff from Ulta. If you got drugstore makeup, that's fine. Yeah, drop that in the comments. Let me know if you like the look, and make sure you like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks y'all for